like an unsung melody. The truth is waiting there for you to find it. It's not a blight but a remedy, a clear reminder of how it began. Deep inside your memory, turn away, it's just trouble to find it. You heard the call as you walked away, a voice of calm from within the silence, and for what seemed an eternity, you waited hoping it would call out again. In the shadow beckoning, then your fears seem to keep you blinded, and you're gone as you walked away. When you think of this forsaken, listen to me now. You need never feel broken again. Sometimes darkness can show you the light. An unforgivable tragedy, like an